With the average age of retirement being 62 in the United States, which isn't quite Medicare eligible, what does that mean for your qualified health care coverage options? And what's with the word qualified? So what does qualified mean? Basically, a qualified health insurance plan means it's been certified by the health insurance marketplace, provides essential benefits, and meets other requirements under the Affordable Care Act, which is why you hear all of those names. The Affordable Care Act, it's the same as the marketplace, as Obamacare, as healthcare.gov, and these plans are all located at healthcare.gov. So why do you need to make sure you're on a qualified plan? Well, you could live in a state that has a mandate. If it has a mandate that you're covered under qualified health insurance and you're not, when you go to file taxes next year, you could have a penalty for the previous year on not being covered. So make sure that you have that qualified plan. Now, the marketplace plans, they're based off of 3 factors: your age, your income, and just like real estate, location, location, location. So if your cousin Sue Ann is on a great plan, hardly paying any premium out in Wisconsin, and you want to be on that plan, you might not be able to because you don't live right next door to her and you're probably not making the same income and live in the same demographic. She could even live across the street in a different county, and she could have other plans available to her at a different cost. So just know that your individual marketplace plan is just that. It is individual to you. So you're probably wondering, is that it as far as qualified health insurance coverage goes? No. At separation of service, you do have a second option. Cobra. Cobra is basically just an extension of the employer plan that you were already on. So you're gonna pay more for it than you're used to while working because your employer was paying a portion of that premium. But you wanna do a cost analysis. You wanna see, hey, is this going to be more cost effective than the marketplace or vice versa? Now you can have Cobra for up to 18 months. So if you're retiring at age 63 and a half, awesome, that'll get you to Medicare eligibility. If you're retiring at age 62, perfect, you can have Cobra up to 18 months, and then you'd wanna look at the marketplace. Subscribe now, and if you want more information about healthcare under the age of 65, go ahead and schedule your 15-minute complimentary checkup call.